Hello. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing well today. I'm doing fine. And we are blessed today. I am blessed. And this is day number 5 of our
Hey, this is Happy Vlogmas Day, everybody. Happy Vlogmas Day. Vlogmas. It's 25 days.
Blasmiss. Hey.
So y'all,
We're going to have Blasmiss 5 day. All right, I'm getting ready to make fudge today. This is a good candy that I made once last year. And I'm making it today, pecan fudge.
Yeah, this recipe she's been making for years. So
Okay.
she already made it several times on her video, but we just try to redo it.
Okay, because there were some people that's on this time that wasn't on last year with me.
Right.
Okay, I'm going to read my scripture. When a man's ways please the Lord, he maketh even his enemies to be at peace with him. When a man's ways please the Lord, he maketh even his enemies to be at peace with him. Proverbs 16:7. Okay, as I was with Moses, so I will be with thee. Josh 3:7. Thank you so much for reading of my scriptures today. I'm going to replace them and I'm getting ready to get started with my chocolate fudge. Okay. All right. So I will be having, I'll be making it out of the condensed milk and half a cup of pecans and a half a cup of walnuts.
And
So,
y'all, nuts is optional. You don't have to put nuts in, or you don't like walnuts, you can put all pecans. It's just optional what you want to do.
okay.
And also, she's putting milk chocolate in ours because I don't like a semi-sweet chocolate, so she's gonna do the milk chocolate inside of the fudge.
Okay.
Either one, milk chocolate or semi-sweet.
Okay. I'm going to pour in now my milk chocolates. Okay. This is 2 cups of milk chocolates. Okay. And that's a 2 cup there. Let me start it on medium and low, I guess. Okay. I'm not going to start it on high. This gets warm. It gets hot pretty quick. So I'm trying to do it here where you all can see it very good. And I will be adding to the 2 cups of chocolates. I'll be adding a can of condensed milk. I'm going to let these melt just a little bit. Then I'm going to pour the condensed milk in.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a can of condensed milk. So I didn't want it to stick, so I'm doing it on medium so it can start it to get the chocolate melted. Yeah. Now it's beginning to melt real good. Put it just a little bit higher.
Yeah, you can use the morsels or you can use the little round chip, chocolate chips, big little chips in the bag. It's whatever you want to use to make your chocolate with.
Okay. I was just going to say these, when you start doing this, they're very good to make gifts out of, also to take for your lunchings and for your anybody having little parties or just sitting around your candy. This is very good. And it's not that expensive, but if you buy them in the store, it's very expensive. Very, very costly. Because those little candies are high now. But you can make them and save a whole lot and still have just a few more to go. Now I think I'll add my, I'm going to put the vanilla flavor in now, you guys. This is a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I think I'm ready for the nuts now. It's smooth enough for the nuts. Okay, this is a half a cup of pecans and a half a cup of walnuts. All right, I have the parcel plate. It's already been greased with a little butter. So now I'm fixing to pour it into the pan. Kind of went over a little bit, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna spread it.
And that's an 8x8 pan. If you want to make more, just double the recipe.
And it has to go in the fridge for a few minutes.
Okay, y'all. She got it all spread out even. She's going to put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. We'll be back once it come out the refrigerator. All right. Thank you.
All right, this is my final presentation of my chocolate fudge pecan. And this is it right here. So, okay, they came out very pretty, very good, very delicious, I know. But I'm not going to eat any right now. But I wanted to show you the final presentation of the chocolate pecan fudge.
Chocolate pecan walnut fudge.
Chocolate pecan walnut fudge. I'm so used to doing just pecans myself when I'm doing them. So this is chocolate walnut pecans. Okay. So this is a final presentation of them. And they're very good. This was in a small batch of them.
That was y'all, if y'all don't want the pecans and the walnuts and so somebody with nut allergies, you don't have to add the pecans and the walnuts. It'll still come out good.
All right. So thank you so much for watching this video.
Vlogmas Day 5, yes.
Liza, Day 5, thank you. This is 2024 Kitchen Chocolate Pecan Fudge, Chocolate Walnut Pecan Fudge. 2024. Thank you all so much, and I know you will enjoy these. Give them to a friend, church, or whatever you like to go. This is a nice little gift that you can do without having to go out and buy something. Just go to your kitchen and start cooking it and put it in a little box and buy. You can always go to maybe the Dollar Tree and buy a little tin pan and put it in. Put the 5 or 6 pieces in. Someone will enjoy that. That's on your job. Will enjoy it better than a gift. It's something food. Thank you so much.
Yeah, y'all don't have to put butter in the bottom. We just did that, but you really don't have to do butter. Just put the parchment paper in it. And y'all, thank you. If you want more, just double the batch. And we'll see you later, Vlogmas 5. Y'all have a great, blessed day, evening, morning, whenever you're looking at the video.
Bless. Bye-bye.